Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. So first of all, open your Instagram apps, click on the profile icon, look at the right side, tap onto three line, click on account center, tap onto personal details, select the second option, click on to continue, choose here the any on option, click on to continue and type here your Instagram password. And then finally click on to delete account, then successfully delete Instagram account permanently. So that's how you can do it.